Hello. To change watch faces on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active, first of all you have to swipe from the bottom to the top and then scroll all the way down. When you're in the applications, scroll all the way down until you find settings. You go in here and right at the top you have band displays. From here you can change your watch faces to any available watch face that you have already installed on your watch. You can also do it by simply pressing and holding the watch face, and you have the same menu to change your watch face. But to get more watch faces, first you have to take your phone, and within your phone you have to go into application Mi Fitness, go into device, and right here you have manage band displays. From here you have a lot of different band displays to choose from. As you can see, you have also the different categories. Here are all the categories available to choose from, different styles. Simply you have to select any watch face that you like and select apply to install the watch face. Also, in this case, when you have not enough storage on your device to install any watch face, you simply have to delete any watch face. So to do it, you have to press and hold any watch face and then select any watch face that you'd like to remove. And right here you have the trash icon. You simply have to press it and accept the deletion. And right now you are allowed to install new watch face. Alright, as you can see, the installation is complete. We have the new watch face, and so basically that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.